Sa lalim ng kaalaman namin mga doktor sa science at medicine, madalas ang tanong sa akin, Dok, naniniwala ka pa ba sa Diyos? Hindi ba sapat ang kaalaman or training at science? I've heard this question more than once, but I understand why people ask it. Kapag doktor ka, parang inaasahan na sapat na ang lahat sa iyong talino, eksperyensa at medical knowledge. Pero gusto ko pong sabihin ng malinaw at tapat. Even as a doctor, I continuously trust God. And today, I want to share why. Hello po, I'm Dr. Eileen Cincha de Lara, ang iyong friendly cardiologist. Sa channel na to, we talk about science. We talk about prevention, test, evidence-based medicine. Pero may bahagi sa ating buhay, sa aking paggagamot, na hindi kayang paliwanag ng maraming numero lang. At doon pumapasok ang paniniwala, trust, hope, and faith. These are values that guide me, not just a person, but as a doctor. You know, as a doctor, I believe deeply in medicine. Pinag-aralan namin to for a long time. Hindi lang po 4. In fact, if you would count it, maybe 10 years, 15 years. We follow ethics, we follow guidelines, and we follow science. Pero bilang doktor, araw-araw kong nakikita na may hangganan din ang kaya namin gawin. So may mga pasyente na pareho ang diagnosis, pareho ang gamutan, pareho ang lahat ng effort na ginagawa. Pero hindi lahat pareho ang resulta. Sa sandaling yon, mag-iisip ka, ito ang katotohanan. Hindi namin hawak ang lahat. That realization humbles you as a physician. So as a doctor, I plan. I analyze. I do everything in my power because it's my responsibility. But also, I believe that God holds every life in His hands. So trusting God does not mean we stop thinking. It does not mean we stop treating or even caring. It means that we recognize that while we do our job faithfully, there is a higher wisdom that works beyond what we actually see. Faith does not cancel science. Actually, it strengthens it. So faith always reminds me of what? To treat my patients with compassion, respect with dignity to every life. You have to stay calm in uncertainty and remain hopeful even when outcomes are actually unclear. So as a physician, faith makes me grounded. That is my role, and that is to serve, but not to control. So if you're watching this, if you have someone facing illness or caring for someone who is, I want you to know this. You can trust your doctor. You can follow your treatment, but you can also trust God at the same time. Hope is not denial. Faith is not weakness. And trust does not mean you stop doing your part. Sometimes, faith gives you the strength to endure what medicine alone cannot immediately fix. So being a doctor has taught me a lot of things. But one of the most important is this. We are called to do our best, but then we have to trust God to do the rest. Science actually guides our hands, but compassion guides our heart. And faith reminds us that every life is precious and held with purpose. I'm Dr. Eileen Cincha de Lara. Thank you for listening in this reflection.